Okay guys, so I'm trying to give you a little example of how you should be working here. So I said this in class today. When you're starting these 3 objects that I'm asking you to do today, you have to first decide where your light source is coming from, because that is so important. That's going to be the brightest spot of your objects, right? So mine are all coming from the left-hand side, okay? And so just as the video that I posted on the slideshow describes, you can decide that you're first just going to shade this entire circle with a base value, like one of these really lighter values from the value scale, right? But this is going to be our brightest spot. Notice I am not drawing in one direction because this is a circle. So circles are round, right? It's going to be like a ball. Now I'm going to start adding more pressure, and I'm also using the side of my pencil. I'm not using the point. It's really important that you guys don't draw with the point. I have to clear this off so there's nothing behind it, because if you're drawing with the point, it's going to create defined lines, which we don't really want. We want to kind of keep it so that we are seeing a smooth texture. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and pull it out, right? Okay, and you can still see the directional lines that I'm making here. And I'm going to go back over this many times. You can draw the shadow that it casts if you'd like to, but you don't have to. I'm going to use my eraser also as a tool. We can get darker. Okay, now that looks like it's pretty much done, I'm also going to use a piece of paper towel wrapped around my finger, and I'm going to smudge a little bit. And you see how that starts to really soften up the look of my sphere. Whoops. All right, I don't like that line, but I can hopefully smudge it out a little. Okay, and that's a pretty good finished sphere.